take a look at some inventory information that you can use in the warehouse related to Agility Explorer. I'm going to focus in on the inventory item location master view. When I open Agility Explorer, I have a number of components in the inventory bill of material group. The item I'm going to focus on is this one, the inventory location master. When I open it up, I'm presented with all the items in my Macola inventory for all locations. It's a really easy way to look at your data in a spreadsheet type view. But the power of this is that I can look at it any way I want and basically look at my inventory in a real-time point of view. So let's go ahead and filter. I'm just going to look at one location, MA, and I want to see all of my items that are purchased, and I want to see those items that are lotted. So as fast as I do that, I have my items filtered, and then I can begin to sort. So here's a sort alphanumeric. I can reverse it just that fast. I could filter just on a specific item, maybe gloves. So I have gloves there. And I'm zooming through my Macola records very quickly. Okay, let's release the filter. And I'm going to filter down on one item, chocolate. When I gain focus on this row, the buttons across the bottom are related to just that item. If I click that, multi-level item view, I can drill into this item, and I could look at different information that's available on the item, purchase orders that are out there, inventory location data. I could drill into the lots for that item. This works the same for progression as it does with ES and Macola 10. If I release that view, maybe I want to just have only lotted items that are purchased. And if I want to save this view, and I'll go ahead and add my location to that, I can go ahead and save this view, a save as, and I'll give it a name, Mary. So now I have different views of that information. So I can have the Mary view, the Joe view, Chuck, and Bob. Or I could just switch back to the default view. If I need more information, I could go to the listing for items, and I could drag in something that's important to me, like this activity code. Maybe I need to see all the activity codes for an item. And now I've just customized my view. It's like having Crystal right before your eyes change and create reports on the fly, just the way you want them. Sitting right here, I could do a group by. So I could group by here, and maybe I want to take my, go ahead and release my view. I want to group by warehouse. And maybe within the warehouse, I want to group by product category. So within these groups now, I have product categories and items. Go ahead and reopen that. When I bring this back, I'm where I started from. I can come back now to go to Mary's view again. I'm easily just looking at the data. I can also go to the footer, and maybe I want to get an item count. So I'll just count my items that are in that criteria. You'll see if I release the filter, the count goes up. As I begin to filter, the count will change. So you can see how quickly you can go through your Macola information. If you get it the way you want, again, you could save it, or you can just dump it right to Excel if you need to do that. And you might want to email this to somebody. There's your data. So that is the inventory item location master view.